Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the body of your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 and ensure that it is completely powered off. Safety is our top priority. Now, let's begin by removing the dust canister. To do this, press the red button located on the top of the vacuum, and gently pull the canister away from the body. Set it aside. Next, we need to access the screws that hold the body together. Using the Torx T15 screwdriver, locate the 3 screws located at the back of the vacuum. Carefully unscrew them, and make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as we will need them later. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the body. You may encounter some resistance. If so, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. As you do this, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using the soft cloth. Regular maintenance helps keep your vacuum running efficiently. Now that the back cover is off, you can see the internal components. If it looks overwhelming, don't worry. This is where you can decide whether to continue with the repair or reach out for our pickup and delivery service at your home. It's easy and convenient, especially if you don't have the tools needed. Next, we'll move on to disconnecting the battery. Locate the battery connector and gently pull it out. There may be a small clip holding it in place, so be careful. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery completely. Remember to keep track of all parts and screws. Now, let's focus on the front assembly. Remove the screws that hold the front section of the vacuum in place. Make sure you have your Torx T15 ready, and again, keep those screws organized. If at any point you feel uncertain, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After removing the front assembly, gently detach it from the main body. If you notice any wear or damage, now is the perfect time to replace those parts. It's crucial to ensure everything is in good condition for optimal performance. As we assemble the new body, reverse the steps we took to disassemble the vacuum. Start by attaching the new front assembly, followed by securing it with the screws you previously removed. Remember to reconnect the battery properly before putting the back cover on. Finally, secure the back cover with the screws, making sure everything is tight and secure. Once done, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. You've successfully replaced the body of your Dyson V8. If you'd like to skip the hassle of DIY repairs, don't forget we offer no calls, no travel options for your convenience. Now, plug your vacuum back in and check that everything is functioning smoothly. Thank you for following our guide, and happy cleaning. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.